If you're looking for an affordable fish finder with solid performance, the Lowrance Eagle 5 SplitShot HD is definitely worth checking out. It features a bright 5-inch IPS display that's easy to see, even in direct sunlight, and the updated interface makes navigating through menus simple, even for beginners. One of its biggest strengths is the SplitShot HD transducer, which combines traditional chirp sonar with downscan imaging. That means you get clear fish arches and detailed views of underwater structure, like rocks, timber, and vegetation, helping you spend less time searching and more time fishing. Another nice touch is the preloaded C-map inland charts, making navigation on lakes much easier. Plus, the twist lock connector and redesigned mounting system make installation quick and hassle-free. Of course, it's not perfect. The 5-inch screen can feel a bit small if you're used to larger displays, and it doesn't include advanced networking or live sonar features found on premium models. But considering its price, the Eagle 5 SplitShot HD delivers excellent value. It's an ideal choice for beginners, weekend anglers, or anyone wanting reliable sonar without spending a fortune. If that's what you're after, this fish finder is definitely worth considering.